we've got something really interesting from Temp-tations. Really new. It's like a new category for me as an American. But then again, I haven't gotten out recently, so maybe I don't know the Swedish story. They're called Swedish dishcloths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. What is a Swedish dishcloth, you might ask? What is it? Well, we're going to ask Tara Tescher that. Tara is here with Tara at home to check this out.
Hey everyone, super excited to share with you our set of 5 Swedish dishcloths. Temp-tations and Tara at Home has been making your life easier and affordable around the kitchen, and now we're gonna make it the same way also with cleaning. So look at this. I'm gonna actually take one of the cloths and stick it down inside the water just to show you. Look at how this is completely absorbing and drinking in everything that's in here. Look at this. What I love about it is that it literally just drank all of that. Now take a peek right here. A regular standard paper towel that you would go ahead and throw out. Look at this. This is not going to absorb what this absorbed, and that's what we love about it, okay? So take a peek over here. I have some wet ones. I wanna show you all the different things that you can do with it. So I love that I can use it to go ahead and wipe my countertops, my stainless steel appliances. It's streak-free and it's lint-free. I can come over and clean some of my glass pieces, wipe them down. My stainless steel appliances, this is nice and wet, and while it's wet, it actually becomes this great way to go ahead and clean things like your stainless steel appliances, like the coffee that's maybe splattered here on your Keurig. Look how easy I can get into all of those spaces and clean it right up. Over to my sink, my stainless steel on my accents here, my sink that I have here, and then take a peek at the dishwasher. Inevitably, I have dirty fingers all over here. I can go ahead and literally wipe that clean. And the best part, when I want to go ahead and clean it, I put it right in the dishwasher or right in your washing machine to clean it. And you're going to receive 5 of our cloths. Come over here to our stovetop. Again, wiping down some of the grill grates. Maybe you have grease splattered on your backsplash. You can get in there as well. And I love the fact that, again, it's super easy. You can use chemicals, you can use your sprays, and of course you can even use bleach on here. Paper towels that you just wind up throwing away, one use, this one towel, and we're gonna give you 5.
So you're gonna get 5, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the absorption. So I'm gonna do this little test right now as well. I'm gonna put them in here, Tara, and show, as I go in, what this is absorbing and what I'll be able to absorb in this small little space here. Didn't even use half the towel. That's how absorbing they are. A paper towel is going to be soaked up, and I've got to throw this away. I'm not using this again. I'm using this again and again. Tara, nice to have you here.
Hey, it's great to be here, and I have to tell you, this is the combination of a paper towel meets a sponge that you never have to use again, because what's great about these is they are reusable. And, you know, in Europe, they don't use paper towels as much as we do. So the fact that you can use these for 6 months with regular use and just put them in your dishwasher to clean them or your washing machine to clean them. I love the fact that you have our print on it as well. You're going to receive 5 and you're going to use these. I've been using them nonstop for probably over the last 6 to 7 months. They are a game changer.
Well, you know what I want to do? Let's go through the colors that are available here, and then we'll put these to work because we have them. Now, these are done in the famous old world, right? And these are done in your old world colors that you know, that you love. There's the gray. Looks like that might be the black right there. I believe that's the red. The classic old world green is there. There you've got your old world blue. And then, is that the confetti on the other side there, Tara? I believe it is. Okay.
Yes, it is.
One thing that caught my eye when we were chatting earlier, you put these you put them in the dishwasher.
Right.
That's fascinating.
When you want to go ahead and clean them. Yes, and it's great. You know, it takes out all of those smells. And what I also love is, of course, you were showing how absorbent it is, and it is, right? It's so much better than a paper towel. And just as soon as you wet it, it starts to activate it. When you first feel it, it feels kind of like a little bit of a cardboard square, but it starts to continue to drink. Look at that. It drinks in all of the liquid. So it's super absorbent, multiple times its weight. And what I love about it, again, is that when you're looking to clean up, when you have some of those spills around the kitchen, when you're doing some of those easy, simple tasks, it's so much better than a paper towel because it's so much more absorbent than a paper towel.
That's great.
Look at that. It's basically, You're getting everything out of it. So your bleaches, the things you want to use around your home, you don't have to worry about the material at all. And the best part, you go ahead and put it right in your washing machine or dishwasher to clean it.
Put it right in your dishwasher when you want to clean it. And as opposed to throwing it away, you can use it again. Here's another thing.
Right.
It's not going to scratch anything on my stove, right? Or on my appliances, Tara.
That's correct. It's a beautiful fabric with a quilted background, so it's easy to get into some of those, burned on greasy things that you have in your kitchen. And just what you're showing there, again, you're able to get all of those fingerprints off. You'll see that water will dry. And what's great is that it's streak free. And if you have stainless steel appliances and your stove, you can get that off, which is what I was showing you in the video, the backsplashes that inevitably have grease from the frying pans. These are just a great solution to not having to buy or find paper towels and your sponges that we're constantly using and constantly throwing away.
Hey, you know what else is a really great idea, Tara? Today's special value. Oh yeah, it's coming up now. Hey, guess what? Get ready, get set. Almost 23,000 orders today in our today's special value. Next presentation in the afternoon. I want to get my pattern. I want to get my color presentation. It's coming up right now. Well, you know.